Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make colored lines. So let's go ahead and get started by importing our turtle library. Let me find my mouse, import turtle. And let me go ahead and name my turtle and give it a shape. So let's do Lima's turtle dot turtle. That's gonna name our turtle Limas. Let me go ahead and give it the shape of a turtle. So it's going to be limas.shape. And let's give it the shape of a turtle. Remember, you have to type it in parentheses. Okay, and let me make sure that I did that correctly. And of course I did not. limas.turtle.turtle. Oops, I forgot the equal sign. I always do that. Okay, there's the turtle. Okay, cool. Now, in the last video, I showed you guys how to change the screen to make it larger. So in order to practice it, I'm going to go ahead and change the screen dimensions to make it a little bit larger than the regular 400 by 400 dimensions that we are. And you're going to set screen equals a turtle dot screen. All right, and then we're going to change it to the dimensions that we want. And like I showed you in the last video, I'm going to do screen dot setup, and instead of 400 by 400, let's make it 600 by 600, just for the heck of it. Okay. Now, when I run it, if you notice, my turtle shape is not a turtle. Well, in the last video, when I did, I was like, what did I do wrong? Well, what happens is you want to put the turtle shape after changing the screen shape. And then you would see that the turtle shape pops up. So on the last video, I didn't know why. I was like, what's going on? But now I figured it out, okay? So let's go ahead and let me show you guys how to add colored lines. All right, so we called upon the turtle already. And so now, in order to change the color of your line, you have to use the color function. So let me call my turtle. Here we go, limas dot, and the function is going to be color. Now, you're going to type in single quotation mark, the color. Now, in my other lesson, I give you guys all the list of colors. There are a bunch of colors. So one of the colors is red. So let me go ahead and type in, change it to red. And then let me make my turtle go, let's make it go right. And let's make it go right 90 degrees, because if you remember, that's how you change the direction. Or you can use set heading. And let me just make the turtle go forward. And let's do 300 pixels. And let me go ahead and click run so you can see it. Where's the run button? And you can see how we can make a line that is red. Now remember, my pixel is 600 by 600. So the limit it can go from where I started is 300. So if I need more space, I'm like, let me make more space. So let me make it 800 by 800. And we're changing the grid. And that way you can see the entire turtle. And there you go. Now, what other colors are there? Well, there's a bunch of colors, and if you guys can look on my tutorial, there is one of the other colors is hot pink. Let's try hot pink. And you can see the line is hot pink. What other colors are there? There's, again, a bunch of colors. The one I like is crimson. It's a bright red one. Or you can just use it the normal colors. But when we start doing our drawings, you're going to want to change the colors. Make sure you spell them correctly. Another one is gold. Let me show you the gold color. And let me click run. And what's going to happen later on, you're going to be coloring lines, and I'm going to show you guys how to fill these shapes later. Now, if you recall, another thing you can do when you guys are drawing is we change the color. We can also change the pen size. And if you recall, the function for pen size is pen size. And then the parameter that you're going to enter is how thick you want it. So let's go ahead and enter 15 for thickness, and let's change it to crimson because it's more visible. Or you can type in red and you can see the line gets thicker. Let's try 55 for the pen size, and you can see how the line gets larger. So if you want a full list of colors, you can go on to my tutorial, and that is how you make a colored line.